Good morning, children. And we are discussing about simple machines. We have already discussed about lever.
Good
This is our
morning, ma'am.
lever. Good morning.
Good morning.
And here, here
Good
is the
morning,
activity.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you told
Ma'am. Ma'am, you told that today we are going to do
activity. If you let me to speak, I will talk and I will explain. Okay, so today, before discussing about remaining simple machines, we have to do an activity on lever. For this activity, what are the materials required? A cardboard tube. Can you see this? A cardboard tube, a wooden ruler, a cardboard tube. So now it is working as the fulcrum. It will work as the fulcrum. We have to fix this wooden ruler on this box. We have to fix this using an adhesive tape, and we need erasers. Like we have to take two erasers. Like this, we have to fix, children. We have to keep erasers here. Another side, we have to keep coins. I don't have coins, so that I'm keeping this box here. Like this, children. So like this, we have to adjust, and we have to observe to which side it is moving, to which side it is bending, and to which side it is up and downs. We have to see here. See, children, this middle one, to understand the structure of lever, we are doing this activity. Levers are three types: class 1 lever, class 2 lever, and class 3 lever. Class 1 lever will have that fulcrum in middle. Effort and load will be on the both sides of the fulcrum. And in the class 2 lever, the fulcrum will be in corner. And what is the difference, children? In class 2 lever, the load will be in the middle and the effort will be at last. And in class 3 lever, fulcrum will be last. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, that wooden tube is there, no, ma'am, in the middle.
Yes.
Not in the middle, but at one side. Ma'am, if we don't have that, what can we use, ma'am?
Yeah, you can use some other material, like you can fold this textbook like this. You can fold our textbooks, but it is a bigger one, like a small textbook. We can fold like this. You just fold like this, and you can keep one like insert in middle. You keep one rubber band, or you can keep a bangle also. A simple here one bangle, here one bangle you keep, so that it won't come out. You just roll like this, and you can keep, you have scale with you, so that you can take a scale, but you need a tape to attach this. You need to attach this on the using tape. You have to attach this, and after that you have to keep one side coins and another side instead of coins. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got bangle to the ma'am.
Yes, yeah, like that. Now you can use now. But that bangle, two bangles you use. One bangle you keep here, and the bangle you keep here, so that it will not come out. Then in center you have to attach this stick. In center you have to attach this stick. It will move like this, children. So why are we keeping attaching this with the tape? Because it may come out and it may fall down. To avoid that, see, children, how it is working now. So this book now, it is acting, even all of you can do now itself. It is acting like a fulcrum, and one side if we keep that coins, another side we have to keep erasers. One will work as effort, another one will work as the load. So this is the example of a lever, to understand how a lever works. Dheeraj, sit properly. How a lever works, what is fulcrum, what is effort, and what is load. We are doing this simple activity. Okay, children, now I'm using textbook, our science textbook, 5th class textbook I'm using. You can also use the same thing. Use a scale and keep the things like that, like this, and observe how it is working.
Book, ma'am.
No problem, any book you can use. But you should understand what is effort, what is load, and what is fulcrum. That you should understand. Okay, children, this is the activity we have to do using, I think it's better, instead of using this thermocol ruler, I mean this is thermocol one roller. Instead of this, textbook is really working good, so we can use textbook like this. It will work. Yeah, you have to keep like how Varshita is keeping like that. You have to keep a tape and you have to attach that stick using the tape. After that, see here, Varshita, one side it must be longer and one side it must be like shorter. Like that you adjust. Yeah, little bit. Like that only. Then after, if it is not adjusted properly, you can remove and adjust again. You should understand how a lever works. Okay, children. So this is the activity to understand how a lever works and what parts it has. Cardboard tube, a cardboard tube, a wooden ruler, even some length also mentioned there. I did not measure this. I just brought it, this wooden ruler. So you try. Now Varshita is doing. All of you try to do this activity, children. A very simple one. You can understand easily how a lever works and what are the parts it contains and how to make it. Of course, in our regular life, we are using scissors, even spoon we are using. We are using many things like stapler. You asked me about nail cutter. Which type of lever it is? It comes under both.
I'm in first class, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the answer, children? It is a compound lever. That means it contains class 2 lever and class 3 lever. Both it has, even it has an inclined plane also. So it is a compound lever, children. I have sent those pictures in your class group. Have you seen those? Have you observed them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. So shall we go to another simple machine, children? What is the next
Yes,
simple
ma'am.
machine? Yes, children. So till now we discussed about lever, the first simple machine we discussed. And now we are going to discuss about wheel and axle. The second one, second simple machine is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. What is wheel and what is axle? Wheel is nothing but a structure which moves over the axle. Axle is a rod-like structure. Nitish, stop eating. You should remember that you are in class. See, it is in the simple machine, a wheel is locked to a central axle and they rotate each other when a force is applied on either on them. When the force is applied on them, what will happen? This one will work. See, in the simple machine, a wheel is locked to a central rod. What is that central rod called, children? The central rod is called as axle. See, this is the axle and this is the wheel. So, wheel moves, wheel is fixed over the axle. When the wheel moves, the axle moves. When the axle moves, automatically wheel also moves. So, where do we use this wheel and axle? Do we use it only for vehicles? Do we use them, or in other areas we use them? Where do we use them, children?
Pulley.
We use them in different
In the
machines. We
pulley.
use them generally in the vehicles. In the bicycle, you can see in the
Ma'am,
vehicle.
giant wheel.
In a
Ma'am,
giant wheel,
pulley. Fans.
in a giant wheel, we use that. In a
Ma'am,
doorknob
pulley.
also. Pulley
Ma'am,
is
in
different
cycle.
things. Be in mute, children. Listen. If this is a charka, and these are the wheels. You can see even
अरे
in
बाप.
vehicles, and this type of doorknob you might have seen. So one wheel and one axle. Wheel is present over the axle, a round structure, and axle is a long rod-like structure which is fixed in the center of the wheel. When the axle is moving, wheel moves. When the wheel moves, axle also moves. The wheel and axle is a wheel connected to a rigid pole. So this is the axle and this is the wheel. This is the radius of the axle. When the axle is moving, automatically the wheel also moves. These wheel and axis examples we can see in the doorknob. See, this is the axle and this is the wheel. And even in many machines, we can use this wheel and axle. And even on the like skateboards. On the skateboards, we can see that even in the industries for running many machines, we are using this wheel and axle. And not only in
Ma'am,
the
in cycles also we will see.
cycles also,
Cycle
in the
wheels.
bicycles, in all the vehicles. Next one is what, children? Next one is pulley.
Pulley.
Next one is pulley. What is pulley? A pulley consists of a wheel with a
A
groove.
wheel and axle we can find in skatings also, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, on the skateboards and in the skates. Pulley is another type of simple machine. Here the pulley contains a
Ma'am, in waveboard also.
groove rim, a wheel with a groove, a wheel with a groove we can see here, a wheel with a groove rim and a rope, a chain or a belt running around the grooves. What is moving, children? A rope or a chain is moving around the groove. A wheel has
Pulley.
a groove, and in that groove what is moving? A chain or a rope are moving in the groove. These pulleys are mainly, yes ma. Pulleys
Ma'am,
are
in
mainly,
villages, wells will be na
yes,
ma'am. In
yes,
that
yes.
wells,
That
pulley
we will
will
study.
be.
That we will study now. See, these pulleys are mainly three types. In textbook, only three types are given, children. A pulley stays in one position, moves load up and down or sideways, changes direction of the force, does not reduce effort. Here, pulleys are mainly different types. Fixed pulley, and this is what, children? Fixed pulley, and the next one is fixed pulley, and another one is movable pulley. Movable pulley and fixed pulley. One is movable pulley and another one is fixed pulley, and and another one is compound pulley, it seems. Generally in textbook only two are given, fixed pulley and movable pulley, but even another type also there, that is called as compound pulley, children. So the pulleys are mainly three types, but in textbook only two types are given. So what are the different parts we can see here, children? What are the parts we can see? A wheel with a groove, a chain or rope will be moving over the groove. In the groove, a chain or a rope will be moving.
Ma'am, what is mean by groove, ma'am?
Groove means that inside of that wheel, some space we can find, some depth we can find, children. That is called as a groove. Like for example, there is a socket, inside of that space will be there. That is only called as a groove. The space inside of the thing is called as groove. Some depth we can find. In the wheel, that groove will be there. In that groove, this chain or a thread will be moving. So these pulleys are different types. These are a fixed pulley or a movable pulley. Fixed pulley means what, children? The pulley is fixed here. Pulley is not moving. But in the groove, pulley is fixed to the to a iron nail or something, and the rope will be
Ma'am
moving.
means, ma'am, this groove is different from the grooves in the screw, ma'am.
Yes, yes, that is different. See here, children. Someone said like in the villages they use the wells with these pulleys. See here, it is the wheel is connected to the support.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Varshita ma'am also.
Yes, ma'am. See here, this
which
is the
these
wheel is
have, ma'am?
connected to
Which
the
these
support.
screws have?
Please be in mute and listen. After completion of class, I'll give you time to ask your doubts. You just let me explain. See, this is the wheel now. It has a groove in this. Now this wheel is connected to the support. So now the pulley is not moving here. And here the rope or chain, whatever we are using, it will help. Here this is a well which contains a pulley with a rope. So another side it is connected to the bucket. So one side we catch the rope, another side it is connected to the bucket. What is the use of this, children? What is the use of this pulley here? How it is useful to,
Ma'am, for taking out the water, ma'am.
yes, to get
Ma'am,
water
because
from
in the
the
well,
well.
that water will be deep, so we can't.
So using this,
Not
using
go
this we
there.
can,
That's why.
using this we can fetch the water easily. We can collect water easily. So this thread, this rope will be running is fixed in the groove. So whenever we are pulling the thread, when we are dropping the thread, slowly that bucket will be filled with water, and whenever we are lifting, slowly it comes out. So now here it is the load. This bucket is the load. This bucket is the load, and another side you are keeping your effort, where you are catching the thread, there you are keeping your effort. Pulley is fixed here. This is called fixed pulley. But in some cases, movable pulley, one is fixed pulley, another one is moving here. Movable pulley in industries, we can see them mainly for catching the things from, to transport the things from one place to another place. We use them. This is called movable pulley. The pulley also will be moving. The pulley will be, one is fixed and another one is moving.
Ma'am, the up pulley or the down pulley will move, ma'am.
Yes, this one will move. This one will be moving along with the thread. When the thread is like this, it will be moving. It is fixed and it is moving, ma. So here, this is called movable pulley.
Ma'am,
Compound
there is
pulley
a
means,
load, ma'am.
ma,
Ma'am, there is a load, ma'am.
this is the load.
Okay, ma'am.
When the thread is like
Load
dropping
is
down,
attached to the pulley, right, ma'am?
yes,
Load is attached to the pulley, right, ma'am?
yes, yes, load is attached there. Here you can observe. Here you can observe. Here,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
pulley is attached there. It is a fixed pulley, and we move that rope up and down using that from the groove. Through the groove, we move up and down. Even while when we are hoisting the flag, you might have observed.
Yes, ma'am.
They just rope move that thread. They tie with that. Whenever they open that thread, and automatically that flag will be opened. So in the flag poles, we use this type of pulley, fixed pulleys and movable pulleys in different areas, in the cranes and in the flag poles, in the elevators. That means in the lift children, in the elevators, and in the wells, in different areas, we will be using these pulleys. So some are fixed and some are movable. Fixed pulleys and movable pulleys. You can see in the textbook also, children. Using a fixed pulley and one is moving, and the one is fixed here. This is only called as even compound pulley also. It has both movable and fixed. Both are there in this itself. So some are fixed pulleys and some are movable pulleys. Let us read from the textbook the matter which is given in the textbook. In a fixed pulley, the axle of the pulley is fixed to the some kind of support. Here you can see in the well. See, the axle is support, attached to some support at the same time as a hook or a wall. And one end of the rope is attached to the load. One end is attached to the load, and another one will be in our hands. One side of the rope is attached to the load, another side will be in our hands. So attached to the load, this type of pulley changes the direction of the force and makes work easier. Why are we using here, children? Can't we directly fetch the water from the well? But we need to put lot of effort there. We need to put lot of effort. We need to bend and we need to put lot of effort. To reduce our effort,
Even it will be very deep also.
yes, that's why we are using these pulleys, which makes our work easier. It is used to lift a bucket of water from a well and to raise a flag to the top of the flagpole. This is a fixed pulley. Movable pulley.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, here for pulley we will use a iron color stick also, ma'am.
Not iron color stick. We are using some hooks which are made up of iron only. That hook we attach to the rods or to the wooden poles, depending on the material what they are using here. You can observe here a well, right? In the well, here is a central rod. To the central rod, this pulley is connected. Using a hooks or some support, we tie them. Or we insert that pulley in the center of the rod and we adjust that rod to the two poles of the well. Here like this. This is one pole and this is another pole. Here you can see the central rod. You can see this is the pulley connected to that. Okay, children. And in the
Yes,
screw, we
ma'am.
arrange the thread. So when we are lifting,
Okay, ma'am.
slowly it comes up, and when we are dropping, slowly the thread goes down. And in the mobile pulley, the axle is not fixed to any kind of support. I'll show you that one also. Here it is not this, here it does not have any axle here. See, there is no support. Here it is connected, it is fixed one. Here it is not connected to any support. That's why it is able to move. When we fix to the support, how can it move? That's why it will move, and it is useful to like carry the objects and all. You might have observed this type like in the transportation of goods, in the transportation of materials in apartments or in industries. We can see this type of pulleys, children. So it is free and movable. The load is directly attached to the pulley. This type of pulley helps to lift heavy loads with lesser effort than a fixed pulley. It is usually used in combination with a fixed pulley. For example, a crane uses both fixed and movable pulleys for the heavy objects, for lifting the heavy objects. One is fixed, children, one is movable. So it is useful to, that movable is not fixed anywhere. That's why it is able to move up and down. In the case of cranes, we use both fixed pulley and movable pulley, both we use. That is only called as compound pulley also. So we use these pulleys in our day-to-day life in many activities. We use them to lift the things to make our work easier. So these are mainly two types according to textbook. One is fixed pulley, another one is mobile pulley. When these two are working in the same place, that is called as compound pulley. What is pulley, children? Pulley is nothing but a wheel which has a groove. In the groove, a chain or a rope runs to lift the things, to lift heavy objects. We use this type of pulleys in our day-to-day life. So this is about the third simple machine. First one is lever, second one wheel and axle, third one is pulley. Next one is what, children? Are you able to understand, children? Am I
Inclined plane.
Next one is what, children? Inclined plane. Next one is
Inclined.
inclined plane. What is inclined plane? Are we using this in our apartments and houses? Are we using
A
them?
slope or
It is nothing
flat
but a slope.
surface.
You see, just in
Flat
villages
surface.
also, and in our apartments or individual houses,
It's a
beside the
flat
steps there will be a slant
Board-like
slope will be.
structure.
Yes, there will be a like slant slope.
Ma'am,
We will
like
find.
at a
Keep
gate,
our
ma'am.
vehicles inside of the houses. Like a ramp, we construct a small like slide
Yes,
like
ma'am.
structure. Even
Where the
we
gate
walk on
will
that.
there, no, ma'am.
Because to keep our vehicles in our houses, in front of the house, like in the verandas and all. Because can we lift the vehicle on the steps, children? Can we lift the vehicles on the steps? Even in hospitals also we can see this inclined plane for taking the stretchers, for taking the patients from
Yes, ma'am.
outside to the inside of the hospitals. We can find one slope like structures, like beside the steps we can find these slope like structures. Is it, children? Those are called as inclined plane. What is the use of them? To lift the objects easily into the vehicles, to transport the materials and to carry our vehicles into the houses. It helps us to work easily. Have you ever had to lift something from a lower level to the higher level? Otherwise, instead of inclined plane, can we lift that bike and can we keep inside the house, children? Can we keep in
No, ma'am.
veranda?
No, ma'am.
If there is no inclined plane, can we lift that? As it is so heavy, we cannot lift it. Is it, children? As it is so heavy, we cannot lift it. So what we have to do? We have to use some slope-like structure to keep the vehicles inside of the trucks, or even while transporting the materials. Also, even while transporting animals also, like buffaloes, cows, or even drums, big size drums also they will be transporting from one place to another place. Okay. So in all these cases, we use a slope. We use a slope-like structure, that is only called as an inclined plane. So this inclined plane, it makes our work very easily. If we have a ramp, for example, a ramp makes it much easier to push a motorcycle onto a pickup truck. A ramp is an example of simple machine called inclined plane. This ramp is nothing but a constructed slope in front of our houses. Beside the stairs or beside the steps, we can see them in front of our houses. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am. It is just coming. You are starting the screen sharing.
Just a minute. Is it not visible to all of you children? Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Sohan, you just pin me, then it will be visible to you. Okay, children. So now, what are the examples of inclined planes? What are the examples? You can see a seesaw.
Slide.
Slides in parks. You children will even children will be playing in the over the slides in the parks. Even in the hospitals, you can see them. Even in front of houses, you can see them.
window.
Car windows.
Car.
How a car window work as inclined plane?
No, ma'am. Not car window, ma'am. In big mirror, ma'am. Big one.
Ma'am, in the picture it is there, no, ma'am. That she is saying, ma'am.
She is saying that structure is, it is looking like that. Just that.
Yes, ma'am. He's telling that.
it's not like that person is moving over the car. It's not like that. Just it is different. It is different. He is just going
Ma'am,
upstage
mountain
or
shape also, ma'am.
regions, children. See, children, when there is some height, how do we go to the like hilly regions and all, or even Tirumala? Many pilgrims you might have seen. Those will be on the hilly regions, right? Tirumala, like Sri Sailam, many Annavaram, many pilgrim centers we have visited. How do we travel? We travel on a ghat road, which is like slope-like structure. Even we get vomitings also when we are moving in those twists and turns. We'll be
Yes,
moving
ma'am.
on the
Round,
slopes.
round.
All these are
Yes, ma'am.
inclined planes. All these are inclined planes only, which makes our work easy. Otherwise, can we climb the hills and can we go, children? Can we
No,
climb and
ma'am.
go? We
No,
cannot
ma'am.
climb. So these are the examples, slides. When a person is climbing a hill, these slopes are useful, and they are useful. Even ladders also we use. Even ladders, folding ladders in our houses also nowadays we use these folding ladders also. Easy to catch the items from the heights. So all these are the examples of the inclined plane.
Ma'am, skateboard ramp, ma'am.
Yes, that one also. So
Ma'am,
this
even
inclined plane,
slides, right,
children.
ma'am?
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
park.
In parks
In the park,
also.
slides, right, ma'am?
Slides, yes, slides are the examples for inclined planes only. See here, children. This inclined plane is nothing but a sharp, it's like a slope-like structure, right? It's like a slope-like structure which helps to move the materials, which helps to
Smooth
climb the
board like
materials like that.
structure, ma'am.
Here, the same, even the wedge also will come under inclined plane only. It is one of the example. Here you can see how is this wedge, children? It may be sharp, but is it looking like inclined plane?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
This
Yes,
wedge, even
ma'am.
screw also
Yes,
example for the inclined plane only, children. Wedge and screw both will come under inclined plane only. This wedge is a simple machine that has a thick and thin end. It can be cut. Or what is the use of the wedge, children? Nothing but axe. What is the use of that? To
Ma'am, we
separate
can
the
cut
things.
Cut
trees
the
also.
trees and wood.
Yes, to separate the things, even to cut the trees for many purposes we use while making even furnitures also. For cutting some things we
Ma'am,
will
to
use
cut the
in
tree.
Ma'am,
villages.
but how is it an inclined plane, ma'am?
What is the shape? Can you see this shape once? How it is looking? Like how it is visible, ma? It is like a
Yes, ma'am.
slope-like structure. That's why it is also an example of the inclined plane. But it has a sharp edge. That's why we are calling it as wedge, and we are making different materials like knives, axes, forks, nails. All those will come under wedge only. And these are also examples for the inclined planes only, children. See,
Okay,
these
ma'am.
these screws, even these knives, whatever we are using in our houses, like pins or door stoppers, all those will come under inclined plane only. See here, axe, knife, stopper. See, children, stopper means not that stopper which is connected to the door. In our houses, in some houses, we use this type of stoppers also. We
Yes,
keep it
ma'am.
down of the door. Those will come under inclined plane. See, is it looking like an inclined plane? A slope-like structure?
Ma'am.
That's why it is also example. Even examples for the wedges. All these are the examples. Even screw also an inclined plane. You may get doubt. How can we consider the screw as an inclined plane? Around the screw, you can see this thread-like structure. Is it, children? Have you seen this thread-like
Grooves, ma'am.
structures in the screws? How these thread-like structures we will get to fix these? Why do we use these screws, children? To fix the objects in their positions. Is it, children? To fix the objects in their positions, we use the screws. If you observe the screws, down of the screw, you will find this thread-like structure. Is it, children? How these are found? First, they make
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screw. They make the plain
Ma'am,
screw.
can you see, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Pranavi is showing screws, ma'am.
That's why. Yeah, it is visible. See, some are plain screws, children, but some will have this type of threads to fix the materials. How the threads are formed there, they will keep one plain sheath. Like, for example, if you take a paper and roll it over the material, how it will be, children? Like that only here also, they take one inclined plane, they wrap around the screw. They wrap around the screw. Sharvani, you can eat after 10 minutes. Stop eating. Okay. So that's why this screw also will come under inclined plane only. It is also example of the inclined plane. It may be a simple machine, but it is also example for the inclined plane. How can it come under inclined plane? Because the sheet around the screw, which we are using for fixing purpose, that screw, that like we call it as thread.
sheet is raw material, isn't it, ma'am?
I didn't get you, Varshita or Pranavi.
Ma'am, when the sheet will be like the inclined plane, ma'am.
Yes, that sheath is nothing but if you take a paper, like in the triangle shape or inclined plane shape, you take one pen or pencil, you wrap around that. We will do in the next class. You wrap around that, we will get that grooves like structures, like how that thread is there on the screw. That structure we will get.
Ma'am, the paper will also become like the screw.
Yes, yes, that shape we will get.
Ma'am,
Nothing but
ma'am, screws are fixed to lights, no ma'am, light bulb.
in many areas we use them while making furniture. Even see small screws we use in laptops for fixing the things.
jar lids, ma'am.
In many areas we use them for fixing
Ma'am,
the
even in
objects.
switchboard.
See these doorknobs are fixed to the doors.
Phones.
These handles of the doors, all these are, how these are fixed to the doors, children.
And even
We
switchboard.
make so many furniture, lot of furniture we use at home also. Whatever it
Fridge
is,
and TV.
even for a hanger also we need a screw. Is it, children? For,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
to hang our dresses to the walls. For many purposes we need screws.
Solar and Birva also.
Okay, children.
Bhagwat is drawing something on the screen,
That's
ma'am.
why I kept some controls here. So these are the different types of screws, and these are the examples of the. All these are the different types of simple. Here you can see different types of screws. This thread, children, this is nothing but an inclined plane, which is over the screw.
Ma'am, Chaitra unmuted, ma'am.
Be in mute, Chaitra. See, children. So these are the examples of simple machines. Simple machines help us to make our work easily. The first one is, what is the first simple machine?
Lever.
Lever. After that, wheel and axle.
Wheel and axle.
Inclined plane.
Inclined plane.
Inclined plane only.
And screws.
Okay. These are the
and
different
screw.
types of simple machines we have studied in this lesson. Last year also we have studied the same. But what
Yes, ma'am.
extra we have studied this year? Types
We
of
have
lever, types of pulley we have studied extra in this chapter, in this lesson.
even
So,
wedge also, ma'am.
force and energy. Force and energy. Force, different types of forces we have studied, like different types of
Ma'am, in
force.
fourth class,
Gravitational
force,
force,
and energy.
gravitational force, mechanical force, frictional force, different types of forces we have studied, and kinetic force, different types of forces we have studied. And after that we have studied about energy. What is energy? The ability to make an object to move, that is called as energy.
The
And
ability to
energy,
do
there are
work.
different sources of energy: light energy, heat energy, thermal energy, like the different types of energies we have studied. After that we have studied about
energy means wind fan, right, ma'am? Example.
source of energy. Source of energy, wind. Wind is a source of energy. Water is a
Windmills.
source of energy.
Ma'am, sun energy means solar panels.
Source of
Solar
energy and forms
panels.
of energy, children. Forms of energy. Geothermal energy, heat energy, light energy, like that we have studied about different forms of energies. After that we have studied about simple machines. Simple machines are the machines which make our work easier, which helps to make our work easier. Okay, children. So this is the topic we have discussed. These are the simple machines, children. Hope you people understood.